Hi everyone! Today I will show you gadgets that leave men completely baffled. Why do you even need this? They ask, but we simply can't live without them. I'll give you a quick rundown of these items, explain how do they work and why they're so essential. I'll even try to help you understand why men find these things so alien. Men often don't understand women's gadgets because they approach everything pragmatically. If it works, nothing else is needed. But women's tools aren't just about functionality. They're also about comfort, aesthetics, and those invisible details. A magnifying mirror or a facial roller might seem like overkill to them, but to us they're tools for self-care, self-expressions, and convenience. The difference is simple. Men focus on results, while we embrace the process and the experience. This gadget is my superpower, the curling iron. For men it probably looks like a power tool, but for hair. Can't you just brush your hair? They ask. But we girls know that every perfect curl takes at least 3 minutes of patience. And this is a flat iron. Its purpose? To straighten anything that refuses to lie flat. Men sometimes don't understand why straight hair needs to be straightened further. It's simply the science of perfection. Guys, if you tried it, you would get it and want the same. But maybe you shouldn't. This is the king of hair dryers. Expensive, powerful, and straight out of the future. Men always ask, why not just buy a $50 one? Why is it so pricey? Try drying your hair with a regular one without overheating it or losing its shine. Dyson isn't just a hair dryer, it's an investment. This gadget, the ultimate flow detector. Men often look at it and recoil. Why would you want to see every pore in 5x magnification? Yes, we really do see our face 5 times bigger. But how else are you supposed to apply makeup perfectly? We are like artists working on masterpiece. This is the treasure chest of mysteries for men. Why so many things? I can barely fit one deodorant, they say. Just try to remember, every little thing has its purpose, and none of them can replace the other. And these things, the ultimate head scratchers. They're just a stone and a roller. What do they even do? Let me explain. The roller is for facial massage, and the gua sha reduces puffiness and improves circulation. It's like a gym, but for your face. Now this. Pure magic, a tiny machine that cleans makeup brushes in seconds. Men always ask, why not just rinse them under the tub? Try cleaning 10 brushes at once by hand, and then you'll understand. As you can see, each of these gadgets isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. We women love taking care of ourselves, and these tools make it possible. Men might think it's all complicated, but we have it all figured out. Beauty requires effort. The moral is simple. Men, don't dismiss women's gadgets with confusion or disdain. Instead, take an interest in what they do and how they work. Who knows? This knowledge might come in handy when you're looking for a thoughtful and practical gift. Or maybe one day you'll discover the benefits of these weird little tools for yourselves. Understanding always brings people closer, and knowledge is power. Thanks for spending this time with me. See you next time. Bye bye!